Hi guys, I am here for this is kind of a cool haul. I took back the body spray, the Legally Blonde edition one that they had, the Sparkle Mist that was $25. I took it back today. And I saw that they had the Bare Nectar, which is like their Bare perfume line. And if you haven't heard, the Bare Suede Vanilla is like one of my signature scents, like appropriate for like professional atmosphere scents. But I have not, they did not have a tester in store, so I did not smell this one, but it literally just came out. And the notes of this one are peach skin, honeyed agave, and warm sandalwood. So I have no idea. That's not like my kind of scent profile, but I really wanted, so I still got $5 back, and because this was like 19 bucks for the travel one. So I definitely don't need any more full size perfumes. I mean, spray and play. They're just saying. Maybe I should just not say anything for once. So I'm glad I got it. Damn. That smells like we're at a dance. Like one of the like sophisticated style dances. You know where I'm going with this, right? Like, I get it. Like a corset dress. It, 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 ravage? Is that the right word? Um, I am not a peach. I don't even like this. I don't like peaches in general. Um, that is good. I don't even know what I smell. That is not just sandalwood. Honeyed agave. Maybe it's the sugar. I hate when I get goosebumps. That is real good, y'all. That is real good. When I use this up, I'm going to get the big one. But like I said, like these are seasonal, I feel like. Like a peach fragrance, something like this, you're not going to use this in the winter time, even the fall time, because there's different ones for different seasons. And I feel like this, you only need the small one because you're only going to use it for like a certain period of time every year. I would really like to be an angel in one of your shows. Call me. I'll leave my email in the comments. Mm. I'll be on the runway, right? That is good. Fragrant. It is. It is. That is so good, though. It's like my background after like picking peaches or that is, it's good, you guys. You know it's good when I can't really say much about it. Because a professional like perfumer would be like, I know the notes, this is where they got it from. I'm like, they got it from heaven or something. Like that just does something to me, and I'm gonna tell you that. That is good. Listen, Victoria's Secrets, I agree to the contract you sent me. After this perfume, I will take you up on that offer for the runway. You know, my viewers didn't know the offer you sent me. It's supposed to be 20 years ago. But that is, I think what happened is someone walked out with the tester. That is good. Yeah. Should you get this? Absolutely, you should get this one. But don't get the big one because the big one is like $70. If you use all this up, if you're using it that quick, maybe. But this is like literally something you're going to wear for like 2 months out of the year, depending on your climate. That it is so good. That's why I'm like, I'm just gonna try it out and whatever. But no, this is like the travel size. It comes like this. Um, but this, I actually had no plans on liking it because I'm like, Nectar, like peach, not my thing really. I'm more like strawberries and whipped cream and cherry and this, but it's bare nectar. It's like the nakedness and the, I don't know. But that's good. Yes, you should at least, would I say that's a good blind buy? Yes. Honestly, because I think that would appeal to so many different scent profile people. Like it would make everybody happy on you know, on that level. That is absolutely an easy blind buy. And if you're like me and don't really like peach and you're more the marshmallow gourmand girl, you'll like it. And if you're not gourmand, you're going to like it because it has that pretty smell to it. It's a vibe. I would not wear it in what I'm wearing now. I feel like I smell like cherries right now. That's what it is. Like if I'm just wearing a hat and like a tube top, I'm either gonna smell like coconut or marshmallow or cherries, because that's not like fancy. You gotta smell playful when you're dressed playful. It is that good though. Good job, Victoria's Secrets. Yeah, I'll take you up on your offer of being an angel on the runway. So remember that contact information you sent me 20 years ago? Yeah, you can. My new information is in my information down below. If that still exists. Um, but thank you guys for being here for that. I just want to keep that one. I was gonna actually add more to this, but it kind of resembles. I like the color. It smells like the color, like the nectar, I guess, right? That's what I would think a princess would smell like a Disney princess. That is how they should smell. Just saying, it is what it is. But maybe they'll make a new Princess Lissa Shops, and do you catch my drift? Like one But anyway, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you all very, very much. If you're not subscribed, please do. I'd love to have you on our tribe. And don't just subscribe. I would love to have you here in the lives that I do so often. So make sure you hit that bell notification. And also check out my lives at the end of the day that you may have missed to see what I've bought, what I've been up to, all the things. Because I'm gonna do some more adventures. We're gonna go on some adventures together this summer, and you're gonna want to tag along. I want it to feel like you guys are there with me. That's pretty cool. So definitely be a part of it and join us Friday nights. It's not just trivia anytime now. It's kind of like, I'm just gonna call it Club Lissa Shops for Friday nights, because we don't know what we'll get up to, but it's black lights, it's snack food, just time to like chill and have a good time. So that's Friday, 7 p.m. Pacific. We used to do just trivia, but I don't want to say that anymore, and just, it's what the vibe. whatever the vibe is where the vibe goes. I don't plan things because that's boring. Too much in life is already programmed. I don't want to be that way. So thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you could thumbs up this video, swipe right, hype the video. It looks like a little shooting star. If you could hype it, it would really help me out. And I will see you guys soon.